I've never seen anything like that.
Hey, hold on.
It will.
Just let it
Yeah,
chill.
give it time. No, we
There you
can't.
go.
We'll leave it behind. It's a living creature. It doesn't need to be owned
There it
by
goes.
anyone.
Ah! How cool! He's gonna open. Say hello, creature.
Hello, person. What's in there? Hello, creature.
Wow, that's so cool. And look how wide it is.
Daddy, where's the creatures at?
See the black, smooth muscle in there? That's it. It's a clam.
No, what's the creatures in it?
His name is a clam. And the shell on the outside is the clam shell. But the creature is called a clam. It's like a big, it's all muscle. He just opens and closes that
Oh,
clam.
it's not closed?